Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and I want to talk about what to do when your family and friends don't support you and your online business. So this is, something that I've personally gone through, but one of my clients is going through too. And her parent was doubting her and didn't believe what she was doing was a legit business. And I was kind of in the same spot. So less than a year ago, I was in a completely different business, and my mom was like, why are you starting over? You have 100,000 followers on this, in your fitness business. Why would you risk all of it to do something else and forget about this business? And I kind of had to explain to her, but also she wasn't going to understand. And most people that aren't in the online space don't really understand what it is that we do, because they're conditioned to have a 9-to-5 job and have security, and being an entrepreneur and doing things that you can't tangibly see is a little bit crazy. And so what I suggest you do is don't talk too much about your business to those people, because you're gonna get that negativity and those naysayers. They're gonna be like, well, I don't believe that's possible, or I don't think you can do that. If I told some of my friends that my next launch was going to earn at least $100,000, they would say, you're going to earn over $100,000 in 5 days. And I would say, yeah. They wouldn't get it. They can't wrap their heads around what's possible in the online space, So what I suggest you do, don't talk about it to them, and surround yourself with people who do get it. So I'm coming out with a mastermind next year, because I know how powerful it is when you surround yourself with people who are in the same industry as you are, so you can brainstorm and network and support each other. And so the mastermind's not out yet, but we have a Facebook community. So who can you talk to in the Facebook community? Who can you surround yourself with? Maybe there's an entrepreneur meetup that you could join. There wasn't one when I was living in Florida, so I created one. So if you don't have one, create one. But how can you surround yourself with those people who do understand what it is that you're doing and can support you and cheer you on? Because we all have those days where we have that resistance and we need that support. So those are my suggestions for you. I hope you found that helpful. Make sure to head to the blog she'smakingimpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll talk to you later.